So we discuss about the word. This is not for civil servant. I think in office Palama will discuss that.
Yes,
arrangement,
yes.
right? And we talk about how it the puts better spotlight on the civil servant for the country Nigeria.
Yeah.
In as much as we know it is civil
they
servant.
make a mockery of civil servants.
You get me?
Yeah.
And somehow, the National Orientation Agency, which is also like an arm of the federal government, also come outside. They want that same guy. When they popularize, don't popularize that phrase. Now, note that guy not be the owner of that phrase. Don't be starting. That phrase don't dey as long as I dey alive. I always say, but you not dey popular like that until this guy start to use and they advertise to sell cars. So because of how that guy recently he even do one video when they advertise 2023 C300.
Where they ask
intelligence.
the AI.
Is that,
can civil servants afford you?
Now AI reply
that
no.
will be in 2062.
I feel that's a big slap and a big shame in different ways. I don't think I have that time to give the breakdown. But according to the National Orientation Agency, in a letter signed by the Director General Larry Issa Onilu today Monday, in release statement, say please, this alarming Saki Motor, na be name right?
Yeah, Saki Motor,
make it stop to the use. This is not for civil servant. Take the advertise cars. According to Onilu, he said the agency is not pleased with the recent advert put up by Sakim Mola in a video to promote a Mercedes-Benz 2023 C300 with artificial intelligence functionality, where he asked the question, can civil servant afford you? And the AI function responded by saying no, maybe in 2062. And that means the lights at the end of the tunnel are really good though. If a civil servant in Nigeria actually afford in 2062. I think that's a good arrangement.
Are you trying to be sarcastic or something?
No, let's be sincere. If we want to go by what AI talk, because for AI to say 2062, that is the possibility by 2062 Nigeria go down better, so a civil servant can afford this car. But guess what? This car will not be by that time. It will not become 90. It will be like 20 years ago car or 30 years ago car.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.